Yo, what's going on, folks? We are back. It's been a while, but I definitely decided to do a video today. It's time for the turnover from summer to fall. Had some ups and downs this season, but we always learning as we go along, and it's no stopping in sight. I don't see no end, y'all. I just don't see it. Nothing but progress. So, all right, let's do this little short tour. Y'all can go on this little adventure with me and know we've been going through for the last couple of months. So, all right, back to these strawberries. So this particular breed of strawberries will actually start bearing fruit next year, but we've been taking care of them pretty good. I gotta do a little bit of weeding here, but you see the leaves are nice and healthy. I think this area for some reason wasn't getting watered properly, so that's why some are a little drooping. But you see the other ones are looking nice, lush, deep dark green. And these were planted at our last workshop in April. This is a cutting and a propagation from a branch of the big elderberry tree that y'all see soon, which is bearing a lot of fruit. It's past harvest time for it. I harvested some of the mother elderberry tree basically, and if you guys want to come down and get some of these berries, if y'all know how to process them, I'm gonna do a video on making elderberry syrup. Finally, y'all, I'm gonna stop BSing and go ahead and make the syrup. So again, this is our berry area. That was the strawberries. These are the blackberries. These will start fruiting next year. This is our blueberry. It's doing good. Remember, it was the acidity issue that was the issue. I'm kind of saving this one. I'm going to get some official soil acidifier. I think it's aluminum sulfate. The other one didn't do so good. Like I said, it's ups and downs. This one, it was no saving this one. So I'm going to probably pull this up and just get another one and plant it next spring. These raspberries, this is the second bloom. So the first bloom did pretty good. The second bloom is doing good too. Some of them are still in the development stage. I just fertilized this and watered it a little bit. You see we got some pollinators here too. So these will come back. Some of them look a little dry, but like I said, I watered it. So, we'll see. But this bad boy been going hard for about 3 years. And again, it's mid-season, so, well, it's the end of the summer, so things are looking beat up, but they're producing. We done harvested, man, maybe 4 or 5 times off this cherry tomato bush. You can see it's some in there, some nice sized ones. So if y'all don't know, these were some of the plants start to look like over time when the summer gets in. Some of them tend to wilt down a little bit, but I keep it watered and it's still producing. It just been through the ringer this season, but and this is as contained as I ever seen one. I clipped it early and contained it as best I could. This is a second round of cantaloupes. We found out that the issue with the rodents, with the groundhogs, we tried the gates. They work somewhat depending on how we put them up, but with these kind of things, if you don't have them trellised, they need to grow out. So we had to take the netting off. But we found out that things of the nightshade family, preferably peppers, anything with peppers like pepper seeds, the grounded cayenne pepper, it helps keep them away. And like I said, this is our second batch, and they coming in like crazy. They hiding, but they in there. Again, the plant itself look a little beat up, but I mean, it's producing, y'all. It's working hard. This one day I forgot, but maybe this will heal over and we can still use it because it's a nice size. I forgot to put the peppers. Y'all can see the little pepper seeds, and there's some remnants of the cayenne pepper on here too. It just got the sun discolorated, but we getting cantaloupes. I think it's some more over here. Yep, we got a lot of them this year, y'all. So, and we happen to get some more watermelons, believe it or not. I mean, the main crop, they ate all of them. I mean, when I say all of them, I mean all of them. And this what happens when we try to gate it. I mean, we could have put a trellis on it and gated it the long way, but this what happens. But we pretty much left it like that and started doing the cayenne pepper. So if y'all don't know, things that are nightshade family are indigenous to the Americas, such as peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, potatoes, and peppers. So we did get some watermelons that we are saving because of the pepper. You can see the remnants of the pepper on there, the cayenne pepper. And yeah, they don't like that. So these might survive the season. The end of the summer is coming up. Hopefully we can hold these through to early fall, which is like late September, and save them bad boys. This is our sweet potatoes. We cut down and they ate down some of the leaves, but they're still growing under there. By Thanksgiving, these will be ready to pull. Hopefully we got some monster ones like we had last year, one like the size of a football. So still pushing on that. These are some other tomatoes. I think these are called Marzano tomatoes. These are bigger. We got one that's turning red. This particular breed, for some reason, it doesn't move as fast as the cherry tomatoes, but it's moving. Again, it's some browning. I'm not sure what's going on. I just fertilized this, but it's producing. You know, it's producing. Got one hiding in there, a green one. You know, it's producing, but kind of slow. I think I'm gonna try these again next year and do them real early, because I planted these kind of late spring. These grape tomatoes, I stopped watering them because I just stopped watering these, period. They not big enough. I mean, it produces like all tomatoes do, but I mean, a lot of people don't even like grape tomatoes. They're good for like snacks for the kids or something like that. So we're gonna harvest what we can, and I'm gonna pull this soon, because I'm gonna put some fall stuff in there, probably some broccoli or some more greens. All right, so we're gonna move over. These are our peppers. The peppers have been doing good. We got a harvest. We got a lot of them, red and green. Jalapenos. We got bell peppers in here. Some of the jalapenos are turning red. I think these are banana peppers, if I'm not mistaken. Some of them are turning yellow and red. And these are our cayennes. This is my new favorite pepper, y'all. These cayennes have been doing wonderful. Doing really, really good. The cayennes are the skinny ones. The bell peppers, they coming in. I think I probably should have fertilized them more, but they still coming in. So some of these won't make it. You know, some of them won't make it because we're running out of season. And this is the elderberry bush. It's been producing so much that it's sagging, y'all. So everything what we want, we weren't able to harvest everything. So I'm gonna just clip a lot of the ones that's not usable. But I did harvest a lot of the ones that we can use. So I'm gonna use that for the syrup. It's something that's still looking good. You can see the animals that came up to them have start you know, going after them. But it's still some good harvesting here. We even still got some that's still green. See? But for some reason the other side didn't do as good. Maybe because that side not getting as much sun, you know. But this side is looking good. Yeah, so like I said, y'all can come in and I mean harvest all of this stuff. You know, I'm giving folks the green light. Of course, don't be greedy. Just give me a call first or email us. A lot of folks, I know y'all don't got my number. This is the other cantaloupes that we grew earlier this year. I think we took a couple from both bushes. So these are, I mean, we did good on the cantaloupes this year, y'all. Like I said, this plant a little beat up because it's a warrior, but because this thing is producing, okay? Some of them hiding. I'm gonna show y'all. These are one of the smaller ones. So don't think just because this one, see, it grew into, just because the plant looked beat up, don't mean it's not producing. That's just, if you ask me, it's a result of the producing and the competition that the plants have with each other. That some get more nutrients and water than others. You see those in there? It's a bunch of them hanging out in there, if y'all can see that. So these will probably grow to maturity, and we'll cut them down. So this is our bell peppers. These bell peppers have been hit and miss. because it was real hot and dry, So we had a lot of them start ripening really early. Yeah, so since it hasn't been as hot and I've been watering it more, we've been able to save a lot of them, y'all. Because I mean, these plants are producing like crazy. I think I only fertilized this like once, and they so much on some of them that it's like toppling over. I think what I should have did is trim this up so it can concentrate on growing some big. But I mean, it is what it is. Live and learn. Next year we'll do better. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm trying to make this short. I might do some editing on this one. So we have been planting for the fall also. We got, these are carnival cayenne peppers. We should even get some purple ones and some orange ones out of this. But in here you see our mustard greens coming up. I planted them old school style, like trench style, instead of individual holes, because it's just easier. And then I'll thin these out once they start getting bigger and have some nice healthy single plants. Slap some nitrogen in there. Yeah, man, because the leafy greens thrive off nitrogen. Here, dealing with the rodents a little bit, but these are collard greens and they're coming up too. See this? I mean, they're basically the same. It's just a slight difference. These are the collard greens. Same thing, I'm gonna thin them out. The carrots, of course. This box busted open, so we're gonna replace this box. But these carrots look good. We'll probably end up growing more. It's some multicolored carrots that I'm gonna try to grow too. So I'm gonna just show y'all one more thing, then I'm gonna wrap this up. Like I said, y'all, ups and downs. Next video I do, it'll be showing the progress of our high tunnel / greenhouse, right? Got some grapes over there. Here, let me show y'all these. These will start producing in about 2 years. I mean, the sun is just disrespectful this year, but I mean, they look good still. A lot of this stuff can clip off, and by the end of the day, when it get cold, I'll clip these all off and it'll grow back good next year. These are, I need to weed whack this area, but these boxes are from Heinz Wildlife Refuge. These will be for our edible native pollinator plants. Gonna do a whole bunch with one, and we'll fill all of these, line them up over there in the outside. It's even a type of passion fruit that's native to this area, not only to the Americas, but this area, the Philadelphia, Jersey, Delaware area. And it's a cousin to the actual tropical passion fruit, and it's native to here, y'all. So we're gonna plant that there too, and a bunch of other stuff too. So this monstrosity, this is my first time doing the gourds, the squash gourds, but we getting them. So I think it's a particular type of worm that gets to the roots of these. I think that's what happened here to some of them. Other than that, I'm not sure. Got some powdery mildew. Could be a watering issue. I'm not sure, but we still getting them. These are butternuts. Look like a bird was picking on that. Butternuts and the spaghetti squash. So the ones that are here, and I've been clipping these two, should grow to maturity. Look at that one. They should grow to maturity. I just fertilized this a little bit. Don't know if that's a mistake or not. We'll find out. But I just want to get some good development on the actual squash that we do have here. So again, the plants look beat up. Like this one totally died. This one totally died. This one. The plant, and that produced one. The plants look beat up, but they're producing. So, I mean, you know, live and learn. I'm gonna probably end up planting some acorn squash here too, and we'll go from there. So like I said, y'all, look a little beat up, look a lot beat up actually, but it's producing. So we live and we learn. This is my first time with squash, and we'll see if it's a watering issue. It obviously has some kind of plant disease, Don't worry, most plant diseases don't cross over to humans, so y'all ain't gotta worry about that. Y'all can enjoy these bad boys. I'm gonna try to grill them. So that's about it. This is a 15-minute video. I did not mean for it to go so long, but this is the update. Stay tuned to find out what's going on with our high tunnel / greenhouse, and just stay tuned in general. The Star Child Original American Foundation. Peace.